Have you been trying to get pregnant without any success? All you need to do is your fertile period, and your fertile period is usually around your ovulation period. I'll be talking to you about your fertile period later. What is an ovulation period? It is the period where matured egg is released from the ovaries, which find its way into the fallopian tube, where it is fertilized by sperm cell. Having known that, what are the ways we can know our ovulation period? There are different ways of knowing that. One of them is a basal body temperature. This is the temperature when you wake up from bed, and during the ovulation period the temperature is usually higher compared to other days. Another way you can know that is vaginal secretion. Just before you ovulate, the secretion from your vagina is usually stretchy, while after you ovulate, the secretion is usually sticky. Another way to know when you ovulate is to use an ovulation kit tracker. But what I'll be talking to you about is the use of menstrual cycle. What is a menstrual cycle? It is the period between the first day of your menses to a day before another menstrual starts. It's actually 28 days plus or minus 7 days. It means that it spans between 21 days and 35 days. Having known that, you need to know that the ovulation period divides your menstrual cycle into two equal or unequal parts. The first part is the period between your menses and ovulation, which usually varies among females. Even within same individual, it can vary from 1 month to the other, like maybe 1 or 2 days, while the other period is the period between your ovulation and your next menses, which is usually 14 days. You can see why I say it divides into two equal or unequal, because if the first part is also 14 days, it means that there are two equal parts. It is because of the first part, which is between your menses and your ovulation, that varies among females. That is why females have different menstrual cycle. Then, having known that, it means that your ovulation actually takes place 14 days before you start seeing your menses. Since you know that the period between your ovulation and your next menses is 14 days, then it is safe to say that you ovulate 14 days before you see another menses. So if you start counting backward from a day before you start seeing another menses, if you count 14 days backward, then the day 15th will be the day you are going to ovulate. Then, having known that, you should know that the egg you release can only last for 12 to 24 hours, while the sperm that goes into the reproductive tract can last for 5 days, meaning that your fertile period is a period between 5 days before your ovulation period and the day of your ovulation. And it is usually safer if the sperm is already in the reproductive tract even before you ovulate, because it helps to increase the chances of early fertilization of the egg. In case you want to hear more of this,